Hi guys, my name is Zaki. I will upload this video on my YouTube channel for entering world fastest WPL D12 challenge, and this is my setup. I use aftermarket tire, brushless motor, Speedation brand 10.5T, and I've entered a modified chassis RWD category, and it's my direct drive. So I just crashed this, I don't know what to say. Okay, and I use 3S LiPo Battery. I put this aluminium plate for stability purpose, and I use 120 ampere AC from Xtreme Racing, and this is my receiver. I use Flysky knob, and this gyro for stabilize my steering during speed test. And this is my LiPo Battery 3S 2200 milliamps. So this is how it looks. My bumper is also broken. Yesterday I crashed very hard. Have a crack here, and here where I place my smartphone for tracking my speed. Okay, thank you. Let's see how fast is it. Okay, first run 47 km/h. Let's see the second run. Oh my god. So I just improved 1 km/h from first run, so I cannot